that sounded that it is going to do something. So let's pump some more diesel. The chargers on the batteries. The batteries are crap, but let's see if I can get this UNIMOG running. It's too long ago that it has to run. And the pump is rebuilt, and the engine, a lot of things are replaced or fixed up. So let's see if it's going to work. The pump is getting heavier, so probably the circuit was under pressure. Lijkt wel of hij toch geen diesel krijgt.
Ja, lijkt het toch, ja.
Ja. Almost. Dat was even. Dat was hij even.
Ja.
So close, so close. Yes!